Yo, welcome back. Today we're gonna be working on a caterpillar. That's right, we're working on a caterpillar this time. I think he ended up looking a little more like a centipede towards the end. I didn't really count or do much research on the caterpillar, to be honest with you, to figure out how many little, I guess you can call them feet or legs they have. But I kind of just went with it. I wanted this one to be a lot simpler than most of the other ones. I don't know, I try to mix it up. Some of these doodles are just a little more complicated. Some of them are more of like the kind of same-ish shape, and others are just a little more random. Others have like more like hidden images, intentional hidden images. Some of them have like the same symbol in them. I don't know, I think that they're all different. I really do enjoy doing this. Again, I really absolutely do not need to be doing this. I just do this for fun because I like doing it. It's pretty cool. If you guys like drawing or doodling or doing anything artistic, then do it. Like, it doesn't matter like if you're good or bad, just do it. Like, that's basically what I'm doing. I mean, I think that I'm pretty good, but you may not, and that's okay. It's okay if nobody or anyone even likes what you're doing. So basically, just do you, man. Just do what makes you happy. Take control of your life. Take control of your life, everybody, because you only get one. That's it. There is no start over. You only got one life. Anyways, this caterpillar, it was pretty cool. Like, there's some pretty creepy little faces, or yeah, I guess we can call them faces. I don't want to call it anything else. Just like hidden like little faces here and there. They're kind of cute. They're one may even say they're kawaii. As far as the picture that I ended up using, I know you can't see it yet because it's still at the beginning of the video. I had taken this image. This was actually one of the first images that I took starting out. I really like just the background, how it like kind of nicely blended. Even the Swarovski crystal, it's not even you don't really even get to see any reflections or anything. It just looks like I think it's because the light didn't hit it and it's kind of sitting in the one shadow spot. But I mean, it is cool. I think it came out pretty cool compared to the other ones that I had to filter through to pick this one. And I know what you're probably thinking. Why do I keep using this? I guess it's an orchid. Is it an orchid or is it a lotus? No, it's not a lotus. Lotus don't look like that. I don't know. I don't think it's an orchid either. There isn't. Whatever plant this is, the Swarovski crystal. I like this one because it's a plant, so it's more like natural. And my other Swarovski crystals that I have are like animals or like little figures, and they're not really natural. I mean, they are because but I have like some polar bears, and they're not. I mean, what's the difference between a bear and a polar bear aside from like the color? But if you make like a shape, so you wouldn't really be able to tell the difference. And I already made a brown bear, so unless I go back, I mean, I guess I could. Yeah, I could make a different breed of bear. And I got a cat and a couple of, I don't really have that many. They're expensive, man. These dang Swarovski crystals are expensive. And, I'm po. So I'm not gonna go out and buy a bunch of them. I'll keep an eye out on on any yard sales or garage sales when I'm out hunting. And I'll keep an eye, of course, on eBay too. There's a couple cool ones. Like there's a 4-leaf clover one that I want to get. I think that one would be really cool with some of the magic figures. And so I know I ended up telling you guys, I don't remember which video, but I mentioned that I did order Tomb Raider, but the figure for some figure photography, but they ended up canceling the order. I guess they accidentally couldn't find it, or I don't know what happened, but they canceled the order and refunded me the amount. It kind of blowed because I had gotten a really good deal on it, and the specific Tomb Raider figure that I wanted, I think they're going for like 60, 80 bucks, but I had paid like 25 bucks, which is, I think it's a pretty good deal. And of course I'm still keeping an eye out for at the yard sales and garage sales that I go to for my eBay store. I did find some cool, maybe I should add these like my finds at the end of the video. I'm not sure. Maybe should I just add the videos of me going yard sale, garage selling on Saturdays to this channel, or should I just add it like as a bonus at the very end of the video? I'm not sure what I want to do with that still. I know I've been debating on how to implement the seeking, the artifact seeking, which is what I'm calling me going out on Saturdays, yard selling and garage selling, which is a lot of fun. Like I get to go drive around and just get good, crazy good deals and just flip them, you know, just like Gary Vee and Rally Roots. But I don't know if I want to just add that, because I am doing a bunch of other things now that may change a little bit of the future, or at least I'm hoping it will. I guess I'll save it for later as I guess it can be like a surprise, even though you guys won't get anything out of it. So it's not really a surprise except for, I don't know. Anyways, back to the caterpillar. I ended up wanting to do a butterfly, but I was like, you know what? Let's do a caterpillar, then a cocoon, and then a butterfly. So I like that plan, and I was gonna do them back to back, but then I was like, well, let's just, because every month I'm doing the zodiacs for each month, and I was like, well, I can do the zodiacs each month, and I can do the caterpillar, the cocoon, and the butterfly one each month. So within that time frame, I kind of feel like a caterpillar right now, because I'm going through something, again, like I said, that I'll reveal, I guess, in 3 months to see if I passed or failed. If I get my wings. I just want my wings. I just want to fly like a peacock in the air. And that's going to take about 3 months or so. So I thought that was pretty perfect for the situation that I'm currently in. And for, because I've been wanting to do a butterfly for like the longest time. I don't know, I like butterflies for some reason. They did you guys know that if you're walking your path, like if you're just walking to point A to point B, or like driving, or you're heading in the direction, doesn't matter what you're doing, being pushed, carried, whatever, and a butterfly happens to cross your path, that's good luck, everybody. That is good luck, and that's coming from someone who does not believe in luck, may I add. I actually don't believe in luck. I stand by the words of Ron Swanson, where he says, I believe luck is a concept invented by the weak to explain their failures. That is 100% true. I'm sorry, the truth hurts. I know. You know what you should do? Go and buy some damn ice cream to make yourself feel better, and stop crying like a little baby. But yeah, it's totally true. If you really think about that quote, it's 100% true. And I mean, just stop lying to yourself. Anyways, I'm gonna roll on out of here. Until next time, everybody smash like, subscribe. Peace out. Take it easy. Don't be mad at me. I'm just helping you help yourself. All right, ciao.